In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. Copying a sheet is really helpful when you already have a structure that works well and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you have a project template, a task tracker, or a report layout that you like. By copying the sheet, you can keep the same columns, formulas, and formatting, and then make changes in the new version without touching the original. Start by opening Smartsheet and navigating to the workspace or folder where your existing sheet is stored. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet you want to copy. This is important because the copied version will be based entirely on the sheet you select here. Click once on that sheet to select it. You don't need to open it in full, just make sure it's highlighted in the list. With the sheet selected, look for the Actions option, usually found near the top or in the toolbar area. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu with different options related to that sheet. From this menu, choose the option called Save as New. This is Smartsheet's way of creating a copy. When you click Save as New, a new window or dialog box will appear, prompting you to define details for your new sheet. In that dialog box, you'll see a field to name your new sheet and an option to choose where it will be stored. To control the location, click on the Browse button. This will open a panel or pop-up showing your available workspaces and folders. Take a second to think about where this copy should live, so it's easy to find later and organize with related sheets. In the Browse view, navigate through your workspaces and folders, then click on the destination where you want the new sheet to be saved. When you've highlighted the right folder or workspace, confirm your choice by clicking Select. This tells Smartsheet, save the new copy here. After selecting the location, you'll be brought back to the dialog window. Review the name of the sheet and the chosen destination. If everything looks good, click OK to confirm your settings. Finally, complete the process by clicking Save. Smartsheet will now create a new copy of the sheet in the location you specified. Once it's saved, you can open the new sheet and start customizing it, knowing your original version remains unchanged.